Yeah, yeah, stopped at the corner or maybe in wait, watching sunrises, bargain with my fate, counting all the reasons why the time is wrong, listening to the silence become its own song. Dreams on the shelf with the dust on top, fear got the key and it don't wanna drop, but the clock don't care for perfect plans. It breathes in seconds, hands in quicksand. So I whisper to the doubt, I'll start right here. One small step, a crack in the mirror clear. No anthem needed, no gold medal shine, just the pulse of the heartbeat saying it's time. Don't wait for perfect, take the moment, make it perfect. Small progress on the map, every step deserves it. Brick by brick, stitch by stitch, we're sowing worth. Move a little forward and you change the earth. Don't wait. Make the moment perfect. Make the moment perfect. On the corners of my scars, I learned to celebrate the tiny victories, the minor stars. A message sent, a page turned, a call I made. A habit swap, the fear that slowly fades. We amplify the quiet winds, they build the sound. The timid seed grows roots in unpromising ground. Perfection's a rumor, progress is truth. Measure life in the moves, not some pending proof. So I answer with my hands, I answer with my feet. Small fires lit inside where hesitation used to meet. No more waiting rooms, no more pause breaths. I take the scene, rewrite the steps. Don't wait for perfect, take the moment, make it perfect. Small progress on the map, every step deserves it. Brick by brick, stitch by stitch, we're sowing worth. Move a little forward and you change the earth. Don't wait. Make the moment perfect. One quiet act can alter the tide. One short step makes a mountain feel light. It's okay if it's crooked, messy, not neat. Perfection grows where effort and courage meet. So start that song, plant that first seed, write that line. Let the small become the creed. Progress is a whisper, progress is a drum. Little victories hum until the big ones come. Turn the small into the sum, turn the now into enough. One heartbeat, one breath, one steady stubborn trust. Don't wait for perfect, take the moment, make it perfect. Small progress on the map, every step deserves it. Brick by brick, stitch by stitch, we're sowing worth. Move a little forward and you change the earth. Don't wait. Make the moment perfect. Don't wait, don't wait, don't make the moment perfect. Don't wait, don't wait. The perfect moment's not in the stars, it's in your hands. So make it now. Shovel in my hand, sour sermons in my chest. Best time was 20 years ago, yeah, I read the test. But clocks don't judge the hustle, they just tick for the blessed. Second best is now, so I plant and let the rest digest. I plant seeds like investments, compound in the dirt. No instant clout, no cheap lights, just patient work. No hurt, receipts in the roots, every move a ledger line. Future me sits rich in shade, sipping tea on time. They flexing filters, sprint for followers' applause. I bury proof in soil, silent contracts, no cause. You want overnight bronze, I go forest from a vow. Watch me sign my future with the sweat on my brow. Best time was 20 years ago, yeah, that's the truth, no doubt. Second best is now, so I plant and I sprout. Future me will thank me when the leaves start to shout. Root and receipt, I invest in what I can't rent out. Seedlings, whisper wisdom, roots filing complaints. Every tiny step's a signature, no saint or saint's taints. I ain't chasing verified fame, I verify my plots. Currency of patience, interest earned in lots. Jealousy's a rumor, they want fast blooms and gold. I'm building timber futures, not a moment sold. They edit their timelines, I nurture timeline truth. My tomorrow's got receipt stamp, I planted proof. No vanity harvest, no hologram display. I trade quick thrills for trunks that hold the weight of days. so I plant and I sprout. Future me will thank me when the leaves start to shout. Root and receipt, I invest in what I can't rent out. Dig now with regret later, that's the math of the brave. Tomorrow's gratitude is just the courage of today. Take a step, tuck a seed, stake a claim against the void. Small hands build legacies. Don't let yours be unemployed. Brain on the roadmap, sun on the stubborn ground. I water discipline, quiet hustles make the rounds. Legacy ain't flashy, it's the shame for a future kid. The second best is now, and I'm planting what I did when time counts blessings, not the scroll or the shout. My past me turned up, planet proof, no doubt. Future self wrote a letter, ink soaked in thanks, signed with leaves of memory, currency in rain. This time was 20 years ago, yeah, that's the truth, no doubt. Second best is now, so I plant and I sprout. Future me will thank me when the leaves start to shout. Root and receipt, I invest in what I can't rent out. So plant a thing today. Tomorrow wear your crown. The best time was back then. The second best is now.
Yeah. Start to be great. Start to be you. Street light through the curtains, kettle on the hump, hands tracing margins of the day I never done. Old notebooks full of maybe, coffee rings and plans. I keep rehearsing courage like I'm learning how to stand. You whisper from the mirror, what if you fall behind? I tell the trembling heartbeat, baby, you're allowed to try. It's quieter at midnight, the fears feel less like stone. You can start with trembling footsteps. You don't have to go alone, you don't have to be great to start, just start. Fold the map and breathe, let the trembling heart depart. Every expert was once a small and stubborn spark, someone who kept showing up when the nights were dark. Start somewhere soft, start somewhere true. Begin with what you have, it's enough to push you through. Start to be great, start to be you. Tiny victories in the margins, pencil marks and sticky notes. A playlist for the practice, a smile for the antidotes. Neighbors' laughter passing, but my room's a little stage. I'm learning how to fall to learning how to change. I trade the loud perfection for a steady, honest climb. Counting little progress like a metronome in time. If the dawn looks distant, if the road feels overlong, take the tender, maybe turn it into song. You don't have to be great to start, just start. Fold the map and breathe, let the trembling heart depart. Every expert was once a small and stubborn spark, someone who kept showing up when the nights were dark. Start somewhere soft, start somewhere true. Begin with what you have, it's enough to push you through. Start to be great, start to be you. I remember nights I swore I'd quit, left my dreams on a sill, but I came back the morning after, found my pockets full of will. No one wakes up ready, no one spins a perfect art. They stitch a crooked courage, and they turn it into heart. You don't have to be great to start, just start. Let the small things lead you, let the little hands impart. Every expert stood where you stand with something small and brave. They learn the language of return, they learn to rise and stay. Start somewhere soft, start somewhere true. Begin with what you have, it's enough to push you through. Start to be great, start to be you. So close your weary notebook, on the line you drew. Tomorrow's just the same sky, waiting for the new. Start with one small step, hold the light inside. Start to be great, one breath, one night, one stride.
Yeah. Dreams don't work. Dreams don't work. Dreams don't work unless you do. Yeah. Lights low, city hum like a metronome. Paper paperbacks of plans folded under chrome. You said dream big, I said measure the climb. Count every step like currency in time. Late cars, last trains, the coffee gone cold. Foundations whisper what the day never told. Motivation dips, that's just weather love. We stitch the roof with hours, not with the shove. Routines, rituals, little things we do. Ink on the margins, proofs of follow through. When the chorus fades, when the selfies lie, we keep the tape rolling, press record, try. Dreams don't work unless you do. Feel the ledger grow, brick by brick, midnight slow. Let the small things show when the spotlight's empty. When the favorites fall through, keep your hands on the wheel. Dreams don't work unless you do. Unless you do. No fireworks, just the hum of a stubborn heart. Drafts and drafts until the lines fall apart. You don't wake a kingdom with one wish at dawn. You wake it every night till the fear is gone. Silent progress, paper trails like constellations. We trade temptation for consistent dedication. Some nights you'll fail, I won't dress that in shame. We count the losses as lessons, not the end of the game. Clock hands, patient whispering, one more hour. The small grind blossoms into a quiet power. Motivation fades, but discipline stays true. We learn to love the slow and how to see it through. Dreams don't work unless you do. Feel the ledger grow, brick by brick, midnight slow. Let the small things show and the spotlight's empty. When the favorites fall through, keep your hands on the wheel. Dreams don't work unless you do. No, unless you do. Not a prayer, not a wish, just a promise kept. Sweat on the collar every sunrise we accept. Rewind the doubts, play the patterns we pursue. Victory's a patient thing that's made by what you do. Morning comes gentle to the ones who kept the light. The street echoes softened by a practiced fight. We build in silence, scaffolded from care. Success is slow perfume that lingers in the air. So when the world asked if you had it easy or true, say you were faithful to the work, and the work was you.